Hello and welcome to Share Talk. Today I'm joined by Cathal Friel, who is Executive Chairman at Open Orphan. How are you today, Cathal?
Zach, good to meet you, and how are you?
I'm very well. You've got some news today regarding the Codagenics COVID-19 vaccine study. How's that going at the moment?
Yeah, it's a really exciting one. This is the first, the next generation of vaccines for COVID-19. We've seen the Pfizer, the Moderna, and the Oxford. They're the first generation, and this is the second. Difference being it's nasal, it's intranasal, so you can inhale it through your nose. That means your eye can administer the vaccine itself. It's no needles, which is good, no cold chain, and more importantly, it's the whole inactivated COVID-19 virus that is the vaccine, which means it's very potent and very powerful, likely to give 5 to 7 years protection. First generation, we know it'll give maybe a year and a half. So yeah, it's the next one. We're really excited to be working on.
So you had this announcement this week, and I did actually have, there was somebody, a trader I know or an investor I know, who said, well, this is this has been on Sky News, it's been in the Times, and this is as you said, it's a next generation vaccine. It should be quite sort of punchy in terms of the fundamentals for Open Orphan. Is that right or not?
Yeah, this is the only place in the world. Codagenics are based in New York and had to come to Great Britain and Whitechapel because it's a phase 1, but it's a very expensive phase 1, so we're very happy doing it. It has to be done in the quarantine unit because it's a live virus. The volunteers may be sharing the virus, hopefully they're not. So it has to be done in our quarantine unit. The really exciting bit for us, phase 1s are never huge studies, but there's almost an automatic, it'll go into a challenge study for us, provided with availability this summer, this coming summer or late next year. And that's where the real money for us is, because we want to do challenge studies, not phase 1 work. But it is still a very profitable, a very attractive phase 1 to be doing, and it has to be done in a quarantine unit. And the only place in the world they can do COVID quarantine is HVivo here in East London.
And it's so it's very much a prestige contract for you.
A prestige, but also valuable. It's a chunky contract for a phase 1, but really importantly, it would almost certainly lead on to a subsequent challenge study. If you do the phase 1, you nearly always get the challenge study as well, if we can find the slot available to do it.
So you might need to get a few more beds in your facility.
Yeah, look, on that note, our Queen Mary's facility is full up at the moment for the next 12, touching 14, 18 months. We have the Royal Free Hospital in North London, and that's complements the vaccine task force work. And we've said recently that we're probably making an announcement sometime in January, early February, that we do have a third facility. We're kitting it out, and we're putting studies in. First study is likely to go in there late January, February. And we're hoping to have that third facility full up for most of the coming years. So it's quite exciting. We're really filling up lots of capacity.
Right. On that note, Cathal Friel, Executive Chairman at Open Orphan, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you very much. Look forward to keeping in touch.